Hello friends, welcome to my channel SGT. In this video I am going to show you how you can convert a Word file into PDF. So let's start the video. So here you can see I have select a Word file and I will convert it to PDF. So let's open the file. Here you can see I have opened a file which is full of some questions. Now we have to select file. Now we have to click export. So here you can see I can convert it to PDF. So I have clicked here and so I will give a name. Now I have to save it. So now I have converted this to PDF file. It will open automatically. Here you can see the file has opened and it has converted to PDF file. So I can close it and I will open it again to show you. Here you can see this is a PDF file. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.